mata na siya.
Kabayo ba ito? Kabayo ba?
Diyan eh, dapat
Buat ka turista eh.
tingog.
Magi mo siya. Uy, pwede rin ba sir?
Gadog ka.
Bisito man ka.
Senior man, ginagawa senior dyan. Winta. Ah, so ito ka senior to. Wala. Tsura na
Sa Cordillera nga po, this is Baptista. Ang Museo Cordillera po, nasa loob po ng UP. Meron din po ata. Meron po name. Ilan sila? Ilan po kayo lahat? Ilan po ang ano?
14.
14.
5 po na 5 po na senior.
5 na senior. Ilan po yung hindi?
9 na po adults.
Ano pataas sa likod?
Sa ganda yung person.
Amo po.
Pagsukod na ako alam ko dito.
Mo ito Diyos.
Yung ano. Yung balik. Si Alberto.
Ay, dito lang may tour guide.
Ay, may tour. Sorry po.
Diyos po.
13. Sige po.
Welcome to Baguio Museum. Our museum po is about the Cordillera. Cordillera is made of 6 provinces. One province po is Benguet. Ang Baguio po is under the province of Benguet. We're like the gateway or the entry to the different provinces. Benguet is composed of tribes, Ibaloy, tapos Kankanaay. Yung Ibaloy po, sila po yung mga agriculturists, while Kankanaay are miners, kaya ito po yung mga mining farmer natin. Benguet is known as the salad bowl of the Philippines because you grew up temperate vegetables and fruits. Benguet people are the simplest tribe, meaning simple living, simple lifestyle. As you can see on their clothing, wala masyadong accessories unlike the other province. So this one is a diorama of Budong. Budong po is a peace pact or peace agreement. Kasi po, these people are tribal people, nagkakaroon sila ng budong, wherein yung leader of each tribe is talking to each other for them to settle para po hindi magkaroon ng tribal war. Okay? This woman throwing rice, meaning she welcomes the guests as she throws rice. Ito po parang council or mga members of the tribe. Okay? So these are the artifacts of Benguet. Another province, this is Benguet. Mountain province, alin sir?
Yan.
Bag po siya, pero protection from the rain.
Okay.
Pero backpack. Pero may protection siya, para kasi yung water nag-slide lang. Hindi siya magsisip doon sa kanyang gamit. Okay? Another province, Mountain Province. From Benguet to Mountain Province is about 6 hours travel. Okay. So, ang Mountain Province po is known for the Sagada Hanging Coffee. So, yan ang kanilang one main tourist attraction. Mountain Province is composed of Bontoc, Cancanaria, Delgada. These province, they are the best weavers. So, ang weaving industry, makikita sa kanilang clothing, weaving tools. These people, as much as they love dancing, they also love the tribal war. So, slave tribal. Okay? And then, Mountain Province occupies the center of the Cordillera. Third province is Kalinga. If Benguet po is the simplest tribe, Kalinga is known as the grandest tribe. They are called the Peacock of the North because they have the most colorful attire, the most beaded tribe. So makikita nyo, hindi lang po isa, kasi marami. So, and then, dito po si Apo Wangud, yung 100-year-old tattoo artist. She is from Boscalan, Kalinga. And then, yung clothing nila, makikita niyo may mga hanging mother of pearl pa po. Okay. This tribe, they are the fiercest among of all the tribesmen because they're the real headhunters. They are the tribal people. Sila po ang nagpa-practice ng gudong. Okay? So, sila yung mga fiercest among of all the tribesmen, and then the Peacock of the North, or the most colorful tribe. These are their clothing. Clothing ng Mountain Province and Benguet. And their accessories po. This one is a necklace na nanggaling po siya sa vertebral snake or python. Ginagamit daw po siya ng mga Benguet women para madaling makapanganak. They very to ensure the women of childbirth. Pag sa lalaki naman to, para daw hindi kayo tamaan ng kidlat. Okay? So that's their belief. And then mother of pearl, this is fertility necklace, warrior's armband, warrior's necklace. Okay. And then their hat, ito pong hat nila is gawa sa gourd or yung pumpo. And then this is a bachelor's hat. And then in Ifugao, this is a groom's headdress and then a bridal headdress. So yan po ang gamit ng mga Ifugao. Since we're tribal people, they have spears during the tribal war or animal hunting, coupled with the shield po to protect themselves. And our traditional musical instruments, yung gong or gamsa. So ito po yung aming mga musical instruments, yung marinig yung... So, ang iba't ibang province po, they also have...
Sa kuwan, Jud, Mountain Province, may napino.
Mana siya, ano, uy.
Muna siya, no?
This is called sprinkle onions.
Yes po, yes. These are... So, ang aming pong museum ay ang buong region ng Cordillera Administrative Region, which is composed of the 6 provinces, Benguet, Ifugao, Mountain Province, Kalinga, and Apayao. So, these are 5 provinces. Ang bago po is under here. The people here are generally called Igorot. Kami po yung tinatawag na Igorot. Igorot means people from the mountain. Kasi po mountainous area. Ifugao is the land of the 8th wonder of the world, which is the Banawa rice terraces. Okay? So dito po yung 8th wonder of the world before. This is Imbayang. Imbayang po parang festival nila. In means together, Baya means rice, by respecting it together for some celebration. For example, foundation ng Ifugao, Thanksgiving offering, ginagawa ko nila yun. And then, since they're known for Banawa rice terraces, everybody to be sure. Okay. Napagod na siya. Sir, you can sit down there. There. If Mountain Province ang weavers, ang Ifugao naman sila yung wood carvers. Ayan. So makikita yung marami silang mga wood carving. The one in the middle are called bulul. These are their gods or deities, yung mga anito nila. And then that one here, the one they put on the neck, arms, and on the legs, like Africans, Burmans, to make their neck longer. And then, Ifugao is, this one is called Hagabi. Hagabi lobby po is a bench for rich people only.
Mm.
If you have this, you belong to an upper class or wealthy. It came from a big piece of
Pero
tree.
this is the form yun.
Opo, kasi when we're tired, it's not meant for sitting, it's for lying. Yung lying po, so yung paa mo na
So
po,
inclined,
kasi po,
inclined
when
siya.
we're tired,
Sample
we're
dyan.
sitting, sample dyan,
You'd make sample daw. Inclined siya dapat ah.
Sige po, hindi ka mahulog daw.
Ah, relaxing?
Relaxing
siya.
po siya.
Relax dapat yung paa mo.
Straight and straight.
Straight yung paa. Ah, okay.
That's not for sitting, but it's for lying. Para yung
Backbone.
yung sa likod mo, nakaka-relax siya.
Nice.
Okay. So, ganito po siya.
Sige.
Ha? Yung dugo, kasi po when we're tired, we put our feet up para mag-circulate.
So scientific sa day sila, no?
Scientific, hindi po
Wow. O sige, i-close na natin. Pwede nang i-close.
daan pa.
Daan ang mga patay.
Nice.
Hindi po.
For relaxing naman.
Press Spaniards influence, okay, ganun siya. And then, they were influenced by the Spaniards.
Ah, ang abra.
Their province is known for bamboo, kaya po maraming craft. Okay? Ang hindi lang po pwedeng picturean kasi po it's to respect the dead person is the mummy.
Ah, ayun na, ayun.
Yan, 12 hours na. Okay? So there are no tributaries of water kaya maraming fishing basket. They were influenced by the Muslim or Moros sa kanilang mga clothing. So ito po yung nag-iisang mummy outside the cave. More than 1,000 years old. Babae po siya. Hanging okay.
wala eh. Ha?
Kasi may ano doon dati, hindi ko masyadong magpapagalan, pero kaya ano, nagreklamo ng page, pero mga tradisyon talaga sila. Pero gusto ko naman, yung nagtago-tago lang.
Kuhain sila. Yan. Kuhan ko rin dyan. Kuhan na siya. Ganyan kayo. Kuhain mo doon. Picture na siya.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, kapit po. Tera.
It's on about that one. Which one's up now? Which game?
Okay po daw eh.
Wait, tama ka.
Magagis ako, kapag kamera ni Jan.
Chan! Ayos, Alisa.
Wag out. Dahil lalaki lang. Jan, may kiliti ako dyan.
King, lari.
Asa?
Lari ko nung king. Lari. Kita ang whole building.
Huwag lang, huwag. Ulit.
Ay, village. Village? Oh, village.
Kaso, nangharo. Hani. 80 pesos lang.
Naimwayas ito wala.
No.
Naim sa'yo. Anong kita diri?
Oh, village siya. Oh.
Aso daw.
Ang tao, mabata na. Chan!
Yan na, nag-ice cream pa sila.
Chan!
Nag-ice cream pa sila.
Ano kami kahapon na no? Is dun sa ano? Autistic. Ilawa.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oo.
Di kaya. Di kaya ba? Basta asti kita. Mana ba daw ka?
Dito hinay-hinay lang good. Oh, mugawas ang tubig sa aton. No.
Kaya naman nila eh.
Video yun.
Kini.
Ano po yun? Ano to? Ano gagawin? Yes. Ah, yes.
Agad kami.
Yes po. Miss.
Kung kulang kayo ng dancers, miss.
Minto na. Ano?
Natunong siya na. Sino flower?
Asa mo sila po ano? Dito sa lupa niya.
Sa computer talaga na mo tanong. Perform sila. Lang po, mag-meeting lang po kami.
So, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome here at Tamaon Village, Baguio City. We are at Tamaon performing group that's showcasing the different dance of the Cordillera region. So, as you can see, we made up 2 different attires, but still, we're going to perform the different dance of the Cordillera region. So, for our first performance is a community dance come from the province of Mountain Province, the Balanga. So for our next dance is a courtship dance coming also from the province of Mountain Province called the Arab or Boogie Boogie. So for our next dance is a courtship dance again coming from the province of Kalinga province called the Salidsid in Tupay.
Slitsid na.
Wala nag-speak ko yung gabs diya.
So for our next dance is a community dance coming from the Eastern Mountain Province called the Turaya Artificial Dance. So that's all. Thank you for watching and coming here at the Mountain Village. For those who want to take a picture with us, pwede.
Picture ito nila.
So, again, for our next dance is a community dance coming from the province of the Kalinga province called the Tadap or the Tachon. But before that, they will going to show you the ladies dance of the Kalinga province called the Sakpaya. So for our last dance is a courtship dance coming from the province of Bugao called the Pagadlo. that's all. Thank you for watching. Kami here at Tamaan Village. Again, kung gusto nyo po magpa-picture kasama kami, pwede po.
Ah, so ilang mga balay yung ani di I know.
Ginagmayay po.
Wala mga hot.
Bridge.
Nga nila mga ano, villages before. Connect na. Ha? Gagmay ang mga balay.
Dito, babaw mo. Mas lamig yun sa Banawi. Kanil?
Mukha ni Maw na ni balay.
Oh, man.
No. Pero paltan oh.
Isukaw.
Babaw. Daray. Anay.
Mami, na-dream catcher, mami.
Ay.
Di na pwede dito, dire. Dili na siya kuan mo sa tambayan naman.
Question niyo.
Naubos ninyo.
Wa man ni sunod.
Tambayan na siya. Saka na, beauty one.
Lamu wish ka. Ah.
Basta mayroong mga gas.
Ah, okay.
Surang ko na yan eh, walang tao lang. Wala ka kasi. Sini, isang. Pagilagin tayo pa.
Ice cream. Strawberry.
Ano?
Part 2? Na? Sa duta?
Ano yung strawberry?
Dami.
Lami, ayaw.
Piling ko pa, sir.
Ano dito? Kuwan. Salamat!
Namay mo si Aging Pulis. Siyang kayo. Limpyo ba yung pulang kuwan eh. Singga. Lahang ka na.
Nana gano'n si Isak. Nabangon.
Oo.
Padunay nana.
Oo, maana na yun.
Diyos. Labangon. Pardo.
Ano na yun? Mo na gina siya, oh. Dapat na nag-research design. Yeah, is Bonifacio eh.
Sila naputol yung kuwan ko niya.
Kuhan mo na sila ka ng dato ba yun ilang kayo kasi ang ato among tiya sa mong papa nga iyang lula kuhan man Jules usa sa kuhan sa Atlas. Alas 3?
Sa hapon.
Lagi dili, parehas 11 kuon.
Galibog si John lagi.
Ano man libugon man niya?
John.
Sabi mo ga? Imo tong giset sa ako.
Basta na-change of lights.
O di na ako na watang ko diyan mo na-erase naman.
Ano dyan? Hour 2?
Hindi matandaan na.
Ano na 5 piso po?
Dito Rick, Chanya. Trip to Jerusalem ni.
Camera kila. Change.
Masugla si John Jules. John, sugri ba?
Checking na pala. Ay, ayun mo
Kita.
Gawas, gawas, gawas.
Si Frank SBS.
To June.
Kailanganin pito at saka 15. Sama sa Ay, baka sa lahat.
Wala kadaghan ano. Uy. Video mo ni.